How you guys? Today I played a new update in Adopt Me. Just to tell you, it's cool. Ugh. There. Oh. Let me drive my car. My vehicle. Devin, look what Angelina trained me. She trained me this car for the lemonade stand.
Huh?
She trained me this car for the lemonade stand.
What type of car is that? Wow. You already have that car though.
No, I don't.
That's stupid. But I guess it's good.
I have two cars, a convertible and my...
Convertible, not convertible. I don't even know how much Robux I have. How much do I have? Oh, I wasted 50 yesterday. Bro! My fucking finger got stung.
Gigi? Who the fuck is a Gigi?
Good game.
Oh, someone's name is Gigi in this game. That's weird.
It's not weird.
I heard this Gigi girl's name. Tell me their username. Maybe they're watching this. I'm coming for you.
Are you recording?
No. 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 No.
Oh, there we go. I changed the end. Look. It was hot here. At least we have an AC, Andy. All to ourselves.
I do, we do.
I like this bike. Why don't I have a head? Angelina has 2 elephants. She wants to give me one.
Yes.
But what do I give her?
Give her a...
What do I have? I'll give her one of my pets. But how rare are elephants?
Like, they're super rare this way. Is Angelina in the game?
No. How'd you get 2 of them though? I really want one.
Probably got drugs and that's how she got on track. Yeah.
I got like $700 from selling lemonade.
Oh my god. Oh my cool.
Alright, oh, okay, that's great.
Do you have a penguin? Do you have the penguino? It says on your iPhone shop is full with penguinos in it.
Why don't I have a head?
You don't have a head in the game?
No.
In my screen, you probably will have a head.
It's teleporting.
Like, I'll get inside the ice cream shop. See what shit is in here. See what stuff are in here. Ah!
That's why I have head.
Cool. There's a girl named Elsa and just like penguins running around.
This game is really long.
There's like a lot of penguinos in here. That's right. This I look like I'm pissed off this one.
Yeah, but I don't have fish. I don't have no
You don't have a fish?
No.
I could buy it for you.
Give me Robux.
With Robux?
Oh.
I love Robux. There's like this girl in my car. I know I have this convertible. I switched it with a lemonade. There's this girl that has a goose, that's right.
It's a goose.
This girl has a goose and she
What the fuck is a goose?
a
goose.
a duck. She has a duck. Oh my god.
How long will penguins last?
I'm gonna go to the pet. I'm just gonna go to the nursery.
Do I have hair? Why isn't this game working?
So you say you're not playing again?
No, right now it's not working. They don't have a head. Is that like that my avatar? No, do I have a fucking head in my freaking head? Sorry.
Okay.
Freaking head in my avatar.
You can buy a Safari egg for $750.
Raven's playing.
Does it say my she online?
Yeah, her friend.
You'll be calling me right now. Yeah, I see.